Hello everyone, welcome to InfoTech YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss about how to fix valuable inventory under construction AdSense problem. I personally faced this problem when I applied for AdSense for first time, and after 5 days I got reply for AdSense that you need to fix some issues before applying to AdSense. Then I directly go to my AdSense account and check more details. There is an error details displayed there that my website has some issues called as valuable inventory under construction. So let's see how I fixed this problem and got AdSense approval on my Blogger website. Step 1. Open your website on computer and also on mobile and check that every category and section of website is displaying and working properly or not. If your website is not working properly on mobile or computer, then change theme of your website. Step 2. Remove broken links from your website theme. For finding broken link on your website, use broken link checker tool. Link given in description. Step 3. Check contact us and other pages. Your pages should work properly. If you are a Blogger user, check your contact us page is working properly or not. If some of your pages not working, fix them before applying again for AdSense. Step 4. Check your domain age. If your domain is very new, then wait for at least 25 or 30 days to apply for AdSense. Step 5. Do not change website theme after applying for AdSense. Step 6. After applying for AdSense, only published one post per day. Do not post 5 or more posts per day. So here is proof that I fixed this issue on my website. Mail number 1 from AdSense about valuable inventory under construction issue. Here you can see my website is rejected by AdSense due to valuable inventory under construction issue. Then I follow all steps and reply for AdSense and got AdSense approval on my tech domain. Here you can see my website is approved by AdSense.